Look at that.
Wow. Just like he knows we're all getting a kick out of it. You even be on TV. That would have. We should have did a funniest home videos there.
Blaine, what are you doing?
You are a clown.
He's gonna start crying. He's gonna get so worked up. He's gonna start crying.
Just let
No, we
him
don't
go.
cry. We don't cry. Are you trying to make noises too? And it ain't working? Stick that bottom lip up in. Oh, maybe it's the air that's getting to you.
Yeah, methane.
Maybe it's daddy's arse.